The courageous dreamer pursuing goals fearlessly. Once upon a time, there was a courageous boy named Karen. He had a big dream of becoming an astronaut and exploring outer space. Every night, he would look up at the stars with determination in his eyes. Even though some people didn't believe in his dream, Karen never lost his courage. He knew that with hard work and bravery, he could achieve anything. He spent hours learning about space and building model rockets to understand how they worked. As he grew older, Karen faced challenges and obstacles. Some people doubted him because he came from a small town. But he never let that discourage him. With the support of his family and close friends, he decided to pursue his dreams with all his heart. Karen joined science clubs and attended workshops to learn more about space exploration. He even got the opportunity to meet a real astronaut who became his mentor. Together, they worked hard to prepare Karen for the tough training required to become an astronaut. There were moments when Karen felt scared or doubted himself, but he never gave up. He knew that courage meant pushing through challenges and believing in himself. Finally, the day came when Karen was chosen to go on a space mission. As the spaceship launched into space, Karen felt a mixture of excitement and awesome. He floated weightlessly, looking down at Earth from above. His dream had come true because he had the courage to pursue it. Karen's story inspired people all around the world. He showed them that with bravery, determination, and hard work, they could achieve their dreams. He became a symbol of courage and encouraged others to believe in themselves. And so, Karen's courageous journey not only took him to space but also ignited a spark in others. His story reminded everyone that dreams can come true with bravery and determination. He showed the world that every courageous dreamer has the power to make a difference.